Millions of Toyota RAV4 owners drive their SUVs every day without realizing how many hidden features Toyota quietly built into them. Some improve safety, some make maintenance dramatically easier, and others feel like options you'd expect on luxury SUVs costing thousands more. One feature can even save you frustration every winter, while another may already be hiding inside your key fob. Strap in, feel the power. Welcome to Torque Tribune, where every turn fuels your passion for motoring. Here are 6 hidden Toyota RAV4 features that most owners never discover. Number 6. Hidden adventure-inspired cabin details. One of the RAV4's best-kept secrets isn't a performance feature or advanced technology system. It's hidden throughout the interior. Toyota designers embedded subtle adventure-themed graphics into various parts of the cabin, including cup holders, storage trays, rubber liners, and trim pieces. Depending on the model, owners may discover topographical map designs, mountain silhouettes, tiny RAV4 logos, and outdoor-inspired textures. These details serve no mechanical purpose, yet they reinforce the SUV's adventurous personality. Because dealerships rarely mention them, many drivers never notice them. Once spotted, however, these hidden touches reveal just how much thought Toyota invested into the RAV4's character and identity. But while these Easter eggs add personality to the cabin, the next hidden feature delivers something owners can actually use every winter, and many never realize it's there. Number 5. The secret windshield wiper maintenance mode. Many RAV4 owners struggle when trying to lift their windshield wipers for cleaning or blade replacement. The wipers often contact the hood, making maintenance surprisingly difficult. Toyota's hidden solution is a dedicated service mode. With the vehicle turned off, hold the wiper stalk upward for several seconds, and the wipers automatically move into a vertical service position. This provides full access to the blades without risking damage to the hood or wiper arms. The feature is especially valuable during winter when snow and ice buildup require frequent cleaning. It's a clever software-based solution that many owners never discover despite using their vehicle for years. Toyota didn't stop at simplifying maintenance. The company also engineered dozens of hidden storage solutions that quietly make daily ownership easier every single time you hit the road. Number 4. Smart storage engineering hidden everywhere. The RAV4's practicality extends far beyond its generous cargo capacity. Toyota engineered numerous hidden storage solutions throughout the vehicle to maximize everyday usability. The adjustable cargo floor can be raised for a flat loading surface or lowered to increase cargo depth. Flip the panel over and you'll find a durable hard plastic side ideal for muddy gear and outdoor equipment. Beneath the floor sits a dedicated compartment for storing the cargo cover, along with additional hidden spaces for emergency supplies and tools. Throughout the cabin, deep door pockets, a spacious center console, and clever storage shelves provide convenient organization, making daily life significantly easier for owners. Yet some of the smartest engineering in the RAV4 isn't something you can see at all. In fact, it's constantly working beneath the vehicle, managing traction and stability before most drivers even notice changing road conditions. Number 3. The AWD system that thinks faster than you do. Most RAV4 owners know they have all-wheel drive, but few realize how sophisticated the system really is. Toyota's dynamic torque vectoring AWD continuously monitors traction and can distribute torque between the rear wheels independently when conditions demand it. During cornering, additional power can be sent to the outside wheel to improve stability and handling. On slippery surfaces, torque quickly shifts to maximize grip. Even more impressive, the system can disconnect the rear drive shaft during steady cruising to reduce drivetrain drag and improve fuel economy. When extra traction is needed, it reconnects almost instantly without the driver noticing. Before we reveal the final 2 hidden features, take a second to subscribe to Torque Tribune and hit the like button. We cover hidden vehicle features, automotive innovations, industry trends, and the latest vehicle updates to help enthusiasts get the most out of every drive. As impressive as Toyota's AWD technology is, the next feature can reduce stress every day by helping the RAV4 handle one of the most frustrating parts of modern driving: heavy traffic. Number 2. Traffic jam assistance hidden inside adaptive cruise control. Many drivers view adaptive cruise control as a simple highway convenience feature, but the RAV4's system can do much more. In heavy traffic, it can automatically slow down, stop completely, and resume moving with minimal driver input. This dramatically reduces fatigue during long commutes and congested road conditions. Toyota intentionally calibrated the system for smooth, predictable operation, making acceleration and braking feel natural rather than abrupt. When combined with lane tracing assist on equipped models, the RAV4 delivers a surprisingly advanced, semi-assisted driving experience. Its technology, once reserved for luxury vehicles, now quietly helping everyday drivers navigate traffic with less stress. But even that advanced driver assistance technology isn't the biggest surprise. The number one hidden feature is something many owners carry every day without realizing how much capability is built into it. Number 1. Hidden key fob features most owners never discover. The most surprising hidden RAV4 feature may be sitting in your pocket right now. Many models equipped with Audio Plus or higher packages support remote engine start directly from the key fob. Press the lock button twice, then hold it on the third press, and the engine starts while climate control begins preparing the cabin. Some RAV4 models also allow owners to lower all windows remotely by holding the unlock button. Certain trims can even operate the sunroof and remotely close windows. Because some functions require dealer activation, many owners never realize these premium convenience features already exist. And when you look at all these hidden capabilities together, it's easy to understand why the RAV4 remains one of the world's most popular SUVs. Verdict: the SUV that keeps revealing new surprises. The Toyota RAV4 earned its reputation through reliability, practicality, and efficiency, but its hidden features reveal another side of the story. From intelligent torque vectoring all-wheel drive and advanced driver assistance technology to secret maintenance functions, versatile storage solutions, and surprisingly capable key fob controls, Toyota packed far more innovation into this SUV than most owners ever realize. These aren't flashy showroom features. They're thoughtful engineering decisions that improve ownership every day. That's what makes the RAV4 more than just a best-selling crossover. It's a vehicle that continues revealing new capabilities long after the purchase paperwork is signed. Now we want to hear from you. Which hidden Toyota RAV4 feature surprised you the most? Have you discovered any other secret RAV4 functions that most owners still don't know about? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from fellow enthusiasts and owners. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to subscribe to Torque Tribune and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest vehicle updates, hidden features, industry news, and in-depth automotive analysis. Thanks for watching, and thank you for being part of the Torque Tribune community. If you thought the Toyota RAV4 was impressive, wait until you see the next vehicles we're covering. Tap one of the videos on your screen right now and keep the adventure going with Torque Tribune.